Don't buy any international data plan for your trip to Mexico until you watch this video. Thousands of travelers are losing hundreds of dollars on unfair roaming charges right now. Meanwhile, the truth about the best eSIM Mexico is actively being hidden by major carriers. Today, we are going to uncover the exact solution you need. I have personally tested 5G network speeds on the ground in Cancun, Mexico City, and Tulum to find out which platform is actually worth your hard-earned money. In the next few minutes, we are going to put the two industry giants, Airalo and Holafly, head-to-head. I will also reveal a hidden unlimited data trap that you absolutely must avoid. Imagine this scenario for a moment. You have just landed after a long flight and you are exhausted. The absolute worst thing is realizing you have zero internet connection to call an Uber, contact your hotel, or navigate out of a crowded airport. Relying on public airport Wi-Fi is a massive security risk for your personal data. Trying to buy a physical SIM card at the arrivals terminal has become an absolute nightmare of long lines, language barriers, and inflated tourist prices. You need a reliable digital connection that works the very second your plane touches the runway. This brings us to the ultimate showdown to find the best eSIM Mexico. Let's start by looking closely at Airalo. If you are taking a short trip or spending most of your time at a resort with Wi-Fi, Airalo is incredibly hard to beat. Their plans are highly affordable and designed specifically for standard travel needs like using maps, checking emails, and sending WhatsApp messages. The biggest advantage of Airalo is that it connects directly to the Telcel network. Telcel is the largest and most reliable physical network in the entire country. This means you get exceptional network coverage in Cancun, the Riviera Maya, and even remote areas where other networks simply drop dead. However, there is a catch you need to know. With Airalo, you are buying a set amount of data. If you are someone who constantly streams high-definition videos or uploads massive files on the go, you might burn through your data cap and need to top up mid-trip. Now, let's flip the coin and talk about Holafly. Holafly is famous for offering unlimited data in Mexico. If you are a heavy data user, a digital nomad, or someone who hates tracking megabytes, Holafly sounds like the perfect dream. You pay one flat fee and never have to worry about data limits again. But here is the psychological blemish you need to be aware of. Holafly, like almost every unlimited provider, operates under a fair usage policy. This means if you try to use your phone as a hotspot to connect multiple laptops and download massive files all day, the network will throttle your speed. Your unlimited connection will suddenly feel incredibly slow to prevent network abuse. So, if you plan to share your connection heavily with your whole family, Holafly might require some careful usage management. So, which platform should you choose for your trip? Here is the bottom line. If you want flexibility and the strongest local coverage for a standard vacation, prioritize Airalo. If you want the peace of mind of unlimited browsing without constantly checking your usage, Holafly is your winner. To help you protect your wallet, I have secured the best possible discount codes so you never have to pay full price. If you decide to go with Airalo, you can save up to 15% on eSIMs. If you are a completely new user, use the code CHECKLISTNEW to get a straight 15% off your purchase. If you already have an account, use the code CHECKLIST to get 10% off. If Holafly is your choice, use the discount code THECHECKLIST. This code will give you 5% off any Holafly travel eSIM. It also gives you 10% off Holafly plans for the first 12 months. The absolute fastest way to get these deals is to simply click the official links I have placed in the very first line of the description or in the pinned comment. By clicking those exact links, the coupon code will be auto-applied securely at checkout. Now, let me share a crucial tip that will save you from a major technical disaster. I know many travelers are terrified that setting up a new digital SIM will accidentally delete their primary phone number back home. Here is the exact rule you must follow to prevent that from happening. Always complete the installation while you are still at home on a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection. Do not wait until you are at the departure gate. The setup is completely digital and only requires you to tap a single button inside the app to install it directly to your phone. Once installed, your phone will ask you to label the new plan. Rename it immediately to Mexico so you never confuse it with your primary line. Leave this new profile turned off while you are waiting for your flight. The moment your plane touches down on the runway, go into your settings. Turn on the Mexico profile and make sure the data roaming toggle is switched to the on position for this specific line only. Keep your primary home line toggled off for data roaming to ensure you do not get hit with surprise fees. To sum everything up, staying connected securely has never been easier. Prioritize Airalo for budget-friendly reliability on the Telcel network. Choose Holafly if you want the comfort of unlimited data in Mexico. All the auto-applied discount links you need are waiting for you in the description right now. And if you are also planning to bring your credit cards to pay for tacos and tours, you need to watch out for hidden foreign transaction fees. Click on the video on your screen right now, and I will expose exactly which travel cards you actually need to carry to avoid losing money. Disclaimer: some of the links in this video description are affiliate links. If you use my link to make a purchase, it helps support the channel with a small commission at absolutely no extra cost to you. Thank you for your support.